Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom in the new Builderall 6.0 the dashboard. As you can see, they have a totally new look. All the tools, as normal, are at the top, but the ones you've been working on recently are all at the side. What I want to show you today is the Mockup Studio. This is how easy it is. I'm going to show you how to uh, put a picture on these bottles of wine. I've made a photo that big inside Canva with a quirky picture, and all you have to do is upload it, and picture scale's okay, then see results. There you have it, guys. Now you've got a logo of your choice to put on these wine bottles. Now, if you go back to the mockups list, you can have books, boxes, electronics, and more. So you can have computers, Apple Watches, you can have Christmas things, you can have books, boxes, you can have creams, health potions, and more, medical holidays. This is the tip of the iceberg, guys. You can have Christmas videos. They're all in here for you to make money with. If you get someone's logo, you can charge what you like, 30, 50 quid, whatever you want. If you want to get in before the price goes up on the 15th, please, please, please click the button below and get your grandfathered price in today.